Hi and welcome to my tutorial video on how to set the time and date on the Casio A-168 watch. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you. Now let's get straight to the point. Before setting the time and date, I have set my watch to the 24-hour time format, and that is done by pressing the start stop button until you are in the when you are in the standard timekeeping mode. So I'm pressing it and holding it on the 24-hour time format. So let's get to the setting the time and date. Press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and we have entered the mode of setting the watch. Setting the watch values. First in a row of settings is setting the seconds. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by pressing the lower right button. Shuffling to the next setting is done by pressing the light button, and the next setting is the hour value. Pressing the start stop button increases the value of hours, so you can go like that. And my current value is so it's past midnight. I'm gonna leave it at 0. There it is. Pressing the light button once again shuffles us to setting the minutes value, and the minutes are exact, that's 43, but pressing this button over here will increase the value of minutes, and pressing and holding it will engage the fast rotation of the digits, so you can get to that number easier. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the month value. By pressing this button over here, I'm shuffling from values 1 up to 12, each one representing the the selected month. So it's January. I'm gonna leave it at 1. Next press of the light button gets us to date shuffling. By pressing this button, you can scroll from numbers 1 to 31 to correspond with your current date. I'm not gonna do that because the date is set correctly, and I would have to press it for many times. Next press of the light button gets us to the shuffling day of the week, and that's done by pressing the start button. You can shuffle that day of the week in English by pressing this button over here. So MO stands for Monday, and that's it. Pressing the light button once again gets us back to the beginning and flashing of the seconds value. And once we have done with all of our settings, simply press the mode button and our settings are implemented, and we are back to the standard timekeeping mode. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are into watch related content. So thank you.